Respected Jaideep Gupta ji, Honorable Chairman and Honorable Members of the Election Committee, the outgoing Executive Committee and the members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. I did my LLB in 86 from Campus Law Center. I did LLM from Faculty of Law, Delhi University, and I did PhD from MD University, Rohtak. In addition, I was a parliamentary fellow in 1991. And I have written 3 books. One book is Parliament Power Function Privileges. Initially it was released in 2013 by Justice P. Sadasivam, Chief Justice of India, and it was forwarded by Justice Thakur, and introduction was written by Mr. Gopal Subramaniam. The second edition of this book is the introduction is written by Mr. Ramnath Kovind, and it was released by Jagdeep Dhankar, the then Vice President. I have written another book, Citizen Rights and Constitutional Limitation. It was introduced by Justice B. Gopal Gowda, and it was released by Honorable Hamid Ansari ji, who is the former Vice President.
What your most
I have written Law of Evidence for 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 2020 for Annual Survey of Indian Law, and
please your manifesto.
I have argued 2 cases before 7 judges bench, and 1 case before 9 judges bench, and 7 cases before Constitution bench. So in 3 cases I have briefed Mr. D.D. Thakur, as he then was, before a constitutional bench, and in the last 39 year of my practice, the bar has tremendously changed. The members, the level of mutual respect by the members and the change in the social values is explicit and often visible in the social intercourse. There is a change in the psychological understanding as there is stiff competition, and at times the young members feel that there is no one to take up their course. On senior designation, I am thankful to Mrs. Indra Jaising. Because of her efforts, me and so many lawyers became senior advocate. And the marking system which was evolved for senior designation, that has been given up. If I am elected, I will try to revive, I will stress on reviving the marking system. And for advocate on record, under the rules, the advocate on record examination is to be held twice in a year, but in 2026 it is not held even once. And it will be my endeavor to request the court to hold the advocate on record examination twice in a year. In addition, there is a bar of 5 years. I feel that there should be no bar, because there is no bar to the practitioner to practice at a particular level. So for this 5-year bar, I will try to raise the issue before the court so that this bar should be deleted. And India is a constitutional democracy. I feel that the constitutional values are diminishing in our country. And for this, I will constitute a research committee of 5 members. 3 members will be senior advocates and 2 members will be senior advocate on the courts. And 5 topics we will evolve. I want to institute 5 research fellowships for advocates, so that we will be paying 1 lakh to every advocate who is doing that research for a year, and there will be a placement committee for the junior advocates. We will hold exam for junior advocate as well as this fellowship, and after conducting examination on the basis of merit, we will decide how the candidates are to be placed with senior advocate and senior advocate on the court. And we would be requesting the Supreme Court to appoint judges from the members of the bar, and 1 member should be appointed from the SCBA to every High Court. the sequence, as Mr. Bhatia has already argued, the sequence is a thing which is very uncertain in the arguing phases. Sometime your matter is item 4 or 5 even that.
Time is over.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.